Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Play pi baro kini long ki khobor bam ta kasngi. Komisi benta ban pyneh mariang ukon rat ki sangman ni kasngi baar haring kar ki khna school upenno symbai shyieng khyndew. Ula thung bat kawang symbai shyieng seatball ha SICPAC shillong. Yo Myntri Rangbah ke Jelala Sembilan Lang da ka Deputy Commissioner kong RM Korba ki dorbar snong berkitnat sarkar. Ha ka jingbat yu symbai shyieng hapo commission life initiative ka Meghalaya karathung hadu samnak tali ki symbai ding seatball ha ka juk kasngi o Myntri Rangbah ulalit pli ka nature interpretation center ha ka phan nong lat pa. Ukon rat ki sangma ha ba yo benta ya ka yathung ye bat symbai shyieng so ha saudong ka phalau ka SICPAC aringkat berki khna school ulay yak menang ban pembernia habahi kai yak khna jongi betuntung ye ka symbai ding bal bakindon ye ka jing perkhat ye ka mariang bar ka green Meghalaya hadu lai 0.2 million ki symbai shyieng on sa sam shakaleng ki khna school ki dorbar snong bakin yam shim benta ha ka sen jam ban penkha ye ki jaka bajangam hajilla Meghalaya.
To be part of this very, very important program where we will be doing a plantation program in a very, very innovative manner. As you can see, we have these new seed balls that we have, which actually are very easy to plant. And we are experimenting and trying to see how we could have different ways in which trees could be planted. And this is a very easy way where you just simply have to throw it and the plant will grow. So therefore, we thought that the best way to make this happen is to have our children, our students, the future generation of our state and our country, to be part of this very, very important occasion. While I say that, we all realize the importance of the environment. I'm here standing today and I don't feel I'm in Shillong. The weather is so different and the heat, as you can make out, is something that you must have never experienced before in your life. The climate change impact is happening. Things are changing. I pledge to make all possible changes in my daily life to protect the environment. I also commit to continuously motivate my family, friends and others about the importance of environmentally friendly habits. I pledge to make all possible changes in my daily life to protect the environment. I also commit to continuously motivate my family, friends and others about the importance of environmentally friendly habits.